Welcome to our latest review video, Top 8 Outdoor and Car Accessories for Every Adventure. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 8. Universal Tire Storage Bags. Whether you're looking to store your spare tires or keep your set of wheels protected from the elements, the Universal Car Spare Tire Covers Case is the perfect solution. Available in both small and large sizes, these tire storage bags are made from high-quality nylon and designed to fit tire diameters ranging from 13 inches to 20 inches. The bags come in two colors, black and red, and are designed to accommodate a variety of vehicles, including commercial cars and SUVs. Number 7. Waterproof Tarp Tent Shade. If you're someone who enjoys outdoor activities like camping, hiking, or even just a family picnic, a waterproof tarp tent is essential. The 4x4 made 4x3 meet and 3x3 meter awning tarp offers lightweight yet sturdy protection from the sun and rain. Made of 190T polyester with a PU 3500mm waterproof coating, this tarp provides a safe shelter, blocking over 95% of UV rays and protecting you from sudden downpours. Its versatility makes it perfect for a wide range of outdoor activities, such as survival camping, hammock shelters, and ground sheets. This tarp is easy to set up and comes with a convenient storage bag for compact packing. Whether you're in need of a shade at the beach or a dry space during a rainstorm, this tarp will meet all your needs. Number 6. Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. When it comes to cleaning, the Redkey F10 Cordless Vacuum Cleaner stands out with its powerful suction and versatility. With 23 kPa of suction power, this portable and wireless vacuum is ideal for deep cleaning carpets, hard floors, and even hard-to-reach corners. It's designed with an ergonomic handle to reduce strain during prolonged use, making cleaning more comfortable. The F10 features a foldable design, allowing for easy storage and access to tight spaces. The 60-minute battery life ensures that you can clean large areas without interruption, and the removable handheld feature makes it suitable for a wide range of cleaning tasks. Whether you're cleaning your home or tackling a mess in the car, the Redkey F10 vacuum cleaner is the ideal tool for the job. Number 5. Portable Headlamp. The Nature Hike Headlamp is perfect for anyone who needs reliable, hands-free lighting. This lightweight and portable headlamp offers ultra-bright illumination, making it ideal for camping, fishing, hiking, or any outdoor activity that requires a flashlight. With a 1200 mAh lithium battery, it provides ample power for long-lasting use. Its induction mode allows for hands-free operation, and it features multiple lighting options, including strong, low, red light, and flash modes. The USB rechargeable battery ensures that you can easily power up your headlamp before your next adventure. With an IPX4 waterproof rating, you can count on this headlamp in a variety of weather conditions. Number 4. Submersible Pump. The 12 Lally Slim-In DC electric submersible pump is an essential tool for transferring water, diesel oil, or fuel. Whether you're pumping water from a well, draining a pool, or transferring fuel in an emergency, this pump provides quick and efficient operation. With a 12-volt or 24-volt power supply, it's perfect for use in both vehicles and outdoor settings. It offers reliable performance, making it a great choice for outdoor enthusiasts or anyone who needs a portable pump for various tasks. Its compact design and user-friendly setup make it easy to handle, and the pump's high efficiency ensures that you can complete your task without much effort. Number 3. Folding Bucket. For those who enjoy fishing, camping, or outdoor cleaning, the silicone folding bucket is a must-have. This compact and foldable bucket offers a 10-liter to 15-liter capacity, making it large enough for various tasks, yet compact enough for easy storage. Made of PP and TPR materials, it is both waterproof and eco-friendly. Its foldable design makes it convenient for carrying and storing in your vehicle or gear bag. Whether you're using it for carrying water, storing items, or washing up after a long day of fishing, this folding bucket is a practical and durable option for any outdoor enthusiast. Number 2. Portable Camping Table. The portable foldable camping table is perfect for anyone who loves outdoor cooking, picnics, or camping. This ultra-lightweight table is made of aluminum, making it both durable and easy to carry. Its foldable design ensures that it can be quickly set up and packed away without hassle. The compact size and ease of setup make it perfect for a range of activities, from hiking and climbing to outdoor dining. Whether you're enjoying a meal at a campsite or using it as a table for outdoor games, this foldable camping table is an excellent choice for any adventure. Number 1. Titanium Fry Pan. When it comes to outdoor cooking, the Lixada 1100 milliliter titanium fry pan is a standout choice. Made from high-quality titanium, this frying pan is both rust-resistant and incredibly lightweight, making it the perfect companion for camping, backpacking, and hiking. Its ribbed bottom ensures even heat distribution, allowing you to cook your meals to perfection. With a capacity of 1100 milliliters, this frying pan is perfect for cooking meals for 1 or 2 people. The plastic handle protects your hands from the heat and is equipped with a locking clip to keep it open during use. This frying pan's compact size and folding handle make it easy to pack and carry in your gear. That wraps up our list. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and top picks. Until next time, take care.